I'ma have a screaming like the. Yo, what's up, YouTube? We liking a place to be. Yo, we just chilling all day, every day. Give us some, Jada.
That's a little action for your ass.
Yeah, that was kind of rude, Jada. But anyways, I'm about to kick the motherfucker around for y'all motherfuckers. Yeah, it was all a dream. I used to read Word, a magazine. Saw Pepper and Heavy D up in a limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Measure, Molly Mall. I let my tape rock to my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo sticks, sipping on purpose. Stop way back when I had a red black limousine with the hat smash. Remember rapping Duke the hard. You never thought that hip hop would take this far. Now I'm in the limelight because I'm tight. Time to get paid, balls like the World Trade. Most in the opposite of the women. Remember when I used to eat sardines for that? I'm nice, right? Nah, I just remember some of it, so you know. We just chilling. Jada, you have bunions?
No.
You want to see your bunions?
Look at my beautiful feet. I don't got no damn bunions.
Oh, well, you hear the song in the background, right? Oh, Jordan, fly! I'm playing with y'all.
Do you want to see feet?
I'ma have the screaming, lose me, miss, but sexy can I take you to my crib, make a love with my piano.
I got pretty feet, right, fellas? Just look at my feet.
Ew, look at them cones and bunions. No, I'm fucking with you, Jay. You get naughty.
Yeah.
Oh, the Jeep. I love Jordan. This is my family right here. Say what's up, Jordan.
Say what's up, niggas. Say what's up,
No
niggas.
more. I'm about to take it to my
spot.
N-word.
Say what's up, niggas.
What's up, niggas? Nah, East Coast motherfucker. Yeah, West Coast motherfucker. I'ma have a screaming like. I'ma make it beep beep all night, all day. I'ma have a screaming like. Alright, YouTube, we gonna make more videos, so just sit tight. We have to refresh it up, alright? Have a great Easter. Jada, smile. Smile. Ew, you look like Joshua on crack. We're ready to end. Bye. How do we end this, Jada?
Press that